Number 1. Remington Pro Hair Dryer. If you're looking for an affordable dryer that really works, GH Beauty Lab Test winner Remington is it. Testers loved the air pressure and speedy performance, but some thought it was a little heavy and loud. Even though it's a bargain price, it doesn't skimp on extras, including both concentrator and diffuser attachments. It dried hair fast, but not too hot, a tester reported. My hair was not frizzy after using this dryer, another said. Number 2. INFINITIPRO by CONAIR 1875-watt AC Motor Pro Hair Dryer. While we haven't lab tested this pick, CONAIR's Pro quality model, with over 8,000 5-star ratings on Amazon, slashes drying time with its powerful AC motor, and it also comes with both a concentrator and diffuser for a bargain price. It was fabulous and dried my thick long hair in record time, a reviewer raved. Plus, the removable filter makes cleaning lint and dirt a breeze. This is by far the best hair dryer I've bought, and it's incredible for the price, another user enthused. Number 3. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. A favorite of professional hairstylists, this one-of-the-kind Dyson design, the motor is in the handle, had super strong airflow and dried hair faster than any model in the history of GH Beauty Lab hair dryer testing. In lab evaluations, it dried an 8-inch hair sample in only 54 seconds. The tool comes a rare 5 attachments to customize to your hair type and needs, including 2 concentrators, a diffuser, an attachment for smoothing flyaways and a gentle air attachment, all of which are magnetic for simple usage. Testers loved how sleek it looked and one raved, on the most humid of days, it got hair smoother and in less time than any hair dryer I've used. Another echoed, the air pressure was great and I do feel like it dried my hair faster than normal. Number 4. Samvilla Lightweight and Quiet Ionic Professional Hair Dryer. Wiseman loves the way this easy-to-maneuver Samvilla hair dryer feels in her hands and how her short hair looks after using it. It provides a shiny, salon-caliber look in no time. That was what truly blew me and my hair away, she says. It turns out my hairstylist has been using this one for years, which made me happy that I followed my instincts. An Amazon reviewer agrees, it dries my hair in a fraction of a second, and I'm pretty sure my hair breaks a lot less now. Number 5. Bioionic Graphene Styler. Avoid damaging, painful burning with Bioionic's hair dryer, which was effective but mild on strands and scalp in GH Beauty Lab testing, key for fine hair. It had the lowest air temperature at the highest of 3 settings, yet still dried hair samples quickly. Though it was loud in sound testing and is the priciest of the most recent test winners, it comes with a 10-year motor life warranty. Sleek looking, a balanced weight and size that's not too heavy or big and feels powerful, an expert noted.